Hi guys, welcome to Skylight for you. Today I'm going to discuss about how to open VS Code from any directory. Means suppose here you see I have a Django API one folder in desktop, so I open that folder and I want to open VS Code from this directory. So what I have to do here, basically I have to click and I have to write here cmd, then enter. I have then enter. You see my VS Code open that directory and here is the project. If this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe this channel. If you have any doubt, comment below. Thank you for watching this video.